isa pong kakaibang optical shop ang nakilala ng Good Morning Boss na may advokasya. Ano kaya ito? Para po malaman yan, let us all welcome this morning Mr. Pavan Shala, CEO, 4Eyes. Good morning. And also we have Jazzy Dayo, Corporate Sales Manager, 4Eyes. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. Good morning, Diane.
Morning.
Good morning to the televiewers.
All right, so let's talk about 4Eyes. Can you tell us more about this company?
So 4Eyes is a revolutionary online optical store. We sell glasses online at very affordable prices compared to retail stores in the market. What we're trying to do is make it accessible for the large community of people wearing glasses. Our price point is $1995. That includes the frame, lens, and the shipping. So it becomes very easy and very simple and inexpensive for people to change glasses every day. We believe that people should have more than one pair of glasses, just like they have more than one pair of shoes.
All right, so Mr. Pavan, what makes you different from the other optical shops is that you have an advocacy. So can you tell us more about your advocacy?
Yeah, so we call it the Pair for a Pair program.
Okay.
What we do is we donate a pair of glasses for every pair you purchase. And for this, we partnered with World Vision, and they're our official partner for distributing the glasses. And so with their help, we reach out into the various provinces in the Philippines, even as far as Tacloban and
Wow.
Leyte and Dasmariñas. And we're trying to provide decent pair of glasses to these communities which are not able to afford any glasses, so that they're able to have better integration into society. The kids are able to see their blackboard clearly. The adults are able to work more productively and earn more bread and butter for their family.
All right, so one purchase of eyeglasses goes to the World Vision, right?
Yes.
A pair of glasses. So Miss Jazzy, how did you get into this? Anong inspiration natin?
Of course, I support social responsibility. As we donate, we partnered with World Vision. Like we donate one pair for every purchase from us. We donate one pair to those people who are really in need of an eyewear. Itong mga taong ito with different ages, matanda, bata, as long as may kailangan sa mata, as these people, kahit kailangan na nila ng eyewear, they cannot purchase at least one pair. So through World Vision, we would like to extend our advocacy of helping this kind of people.
All right, so you've mentioned about tie-up with World Vision. So Mr. Pavan, are we planning to tie up also with other, let's say, government agencies or private companies in the future?
We could potentially tie up with other agencies. The only reason we picked World Vision initially was that they're a global organization. They've got very deep roots within the communities. They have their own communities that they support here in the Philippines. And we thought they would be ideal to get the charity program mobilized as soon as possible. But yes, we will be open to other partnerships.
That's good. So Miss Jazzy, I've heard that you're going to Tacloban or Leyte to distribute glasses. So can you tell us more about this?
Yes, we're actually preparing a team to conduct an on-site check-up because hindi lang po kami nagbibigay ng free eyewear, no? We also we go there and we have a licensed optometrist to have their eyes checked, as in free check-up sa mata. Plus, dun sa mga tao na nakita natin na may pangangailangan ng salamin, we also provide a free eyewear.
Alright, so napakagandang advokasya ang meron ng
Yes.
4Eyes Optical Shop. At ito nga ang kauna-unahang optical shop sa Asia at online. So are we planning
Yes.
also to venture in the future, mga parang stores talaga na may branches tayo?
Well, we haven't made any plans of venturing into the offline scene at the moment. We're mainly just online.
Okay.
But allow me also to call the attention of those company heads or company HR persons to partner with us, because we also extend the advocacy to every companies. Like we go to every company, we partner with them to provide free eye check-up to employees and at the same time free lenses para dun sa mga gustong bumili. And this, of course, for those who want to purchase, they wouldn't know na pag bumili sila sa amin, they can avail na of affordable eyewear, tapos may free lens pa, free eye check-up pa. At the same time, hindi nila alam, nakakatulong pa sila. Because for every pair nga, meron pang...
Goes to the World Vision.
Yes, may isa pang katumbas. And also, gusto ko lang balikan din yung kanina. 4Eyes kasi, offers a total and complete package of convenience dun sa mga online users. Instead of going to the mall, spending a lot in spending in parking and gasoline and your time, they can lessen it if they will just avail or purchase through online. Oo.
Alright. So, ayan po ang napakagandang advocacy ng 4Eyes Optical Shop kung saan pag bumili po kayo, magkakaroon ng isang pair ng glasses na madodonate po sa World Vision. So, we encourage our viewers kung bibili sila sa mga optical shops kung kailangan nyo sa 4Eyes na kayo bumili para nakatulong na rin po kayo. Alright. So, before we end, do you have any message to our viewers, Mr. Pavan?
Yes, please do visit our website. It's www.4eyes.com.ph. And when you do share about us, please use the hashtags 4EyesPH and 4Eyed Pride. And please keep purchasing from us so that we can
Yes.
donate more and more glasses and help
All
the
right.
community.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Mr. Pavan Shala, CEO of 4Eyes, and of course, Ms. Jassy Dario, Corporate Sales Manager
Thank you.
ng 4Eyes. Thank you so much.